What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. Today we're gonna go pick up the beast from the shop, so let's go get it. So a few days ago I dropped off the beast at Paul Silva Performance after our first time to the track, and as you guys know, or if you don't know, we didn't perform as expected. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it up here for you. But there was all kinds of little bugs that were affecting our performance. They've all been worked out, so let's go check it out. Actually, let me recap some of the bugs that we were dealing with just to bring everyone up to speed. First and foremost, we weren't able to build boost on the two-step. The two-step was acting up actually as well. It was kind of working intermittently. We had no boost for the first 3 seconds of every pass. No shift light. The shift light wasn't working for whatever reason. It was tested. It flashed at, it would flash at a low RPM, but it wouldn't flash at a high RPM. So not sure if it just wasn't bright enough or I couldn't see it. So I'm going to put in a different position. We also had the wrong plugs in the car, which was my bad, so that wasn't helping out the situation. We were getting a little breakup in the top end as we started to pull through the gears. And the last thing that we still don't know yet is, on the shifts, I kind of felt like the tranny was slipping. So not sure if the tranny is slipping or if there was just so much going on that it was throwing everything. So that's what we were dealing with. Everything has been, everything I just mentioned has been sorted out, minus the unknown of the tranny, which we'll find out on the next test session. A lot of footage at the shop. I was on my own, so it was kind of hard to test things out and record at the same time. But from what I understand, a lot of the little issues were coming from the dumb valve, which wasn't triggering. It's now working. You did see the video of me getting on the two-step. It did build boost there, even with the CO2. Does take a little bit longer without the CO2, but nonetheless it built a boost, and the bump works and the shift light works. So all the little things that were problematic on our first time out is now fixed, and resolve, so the car should be much more aggressive. We've also tweaked the tune a little bit and given some more boost. The only question that remains is whether or not the tranny is slipping, but we'll find out on our next test session, which is going to be next Friday, August 5th, and I'm hoping it's all good and the trans doesn't have to come out. Other than that, when we got home, we got back on it again. I let Marcus get on the two-step, let him learn a little bit about the car. Other than that, yeah, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You guys know we appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.